Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn Divisibility Detective together, step by step. Before you divide, it helps to know if a number divides evenly at all. Some tests just look at the last digits. A number divides by 2 if it ends even, by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5, and by 10 if it ends in 0. For 4, check if the last 2 digits divide by 4. 3 and 9 have a clever test. Add up all the digits. If that sum divides by 3, so does the whole number. Same idea for 9. And 6 is a team-up. A number divides by 6 only if it passes both the 2 test and the 3 test. Let's investigate 324. It ends in 4, so it passes the 2 test. The digits add to 9, which divides by both 3 and 9, so those pass too. The last 2 digits are 24, and 24 divides by 4. This number passes a lot of tests. Now you think along with me. Is 126 divisible by 6? It ends in 6, so the 2 test passes. The digits add to 9, so the 3 test passes. Both passed. So yes, 126 divides by 6. In fact, it's 21. So here are your detective tools. Check the last digit for 2, 5, and 10. Check the last 2 digits for 4. Add the digits for 3 and 9. And for 6, just make sure it passes both 2 and 3. Memorize these and you'll always know what divides cleanly. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.